The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is the perfect solution for removing stubborn pet hair with ease. It delivers powerful suction and specialized tools to clean furniture, stairs, car interiors, and more in minutes. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum, motorized brush, charging adapter plug, filter, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum is designed to make everyday cleaning quick and effortless. Before first use, fully charge the vacuum by plugging the charging cable into a grounded outlet and connecting it to the back of the unit. The LED indicator glows solid red while charging and turns off when the battery is fully charged. Equipped with a crevice tool for tight spaces, an upholstery tool with felt strips to lift pet hair from soft surfaces, and a powerful motorized brush for removing deeply embedded fur. This lightweight cordless vacuum is ideal for cleaning furniture, stairs, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas around your home. Maintenance. To empty your Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum, first turn the power off and press the release button to detach the dirt cup. Remove the filter by pulling it up using the tabs, then empty the collected dirt into a trash bin. Remove any pet hair and debris from the filter, wash it gently under warm water, and allow it to air dry completely. Once the filter is dry, place it back into the dirt cup and securely reattach the dirt cup to the vacuum. Your hand vacuum is now clean and ready for the next use. LED display status. Smart features? Provide strong, consistent suction to quickly pick up pet hair, dirt, crumbs, and everyday debris. Delivers reliable cleaning performance on furniture, stairs, car interiors, and other surfaces. The powered brush lifts and removes deeply embedded pet hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces. It provides a deeper, more effective clean while reducing stubborn fur with ease. Includes a crevice tool and upholstery tool for cleaning tight spaces and soft surfaces with precision. Designed to capture pet hair and dirt from furniture, corners, stairs, and car interiors. The compact, cordless design makes it easy to carry and clean anywhere without restrictions. Lightweight construction reduces fatigue while reaching furniture, stairs, and vehicle interiors effortlessly. The reusable filter is easy to remove, wash, and reinstall for simple maintenance. It helps maintain strong suction and reliable cleaning performance over time. The removable dirt bin empties quickly for fast, mess-free disposal of pet hair and debris. Its simple design makes routine maintenance easy and keeps the vacuum ready for the next cleaning task. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum. See you at the next one.